Sonic, you wrong. You wrong. I was just bragging on you. And you do me like this?
Sonic, what is this, man? You really did me like that? Come on, man. Come on, man.
Bricks. Huh?
Look at this, man. Come on, man. I know you ain't... You gonna throw me the bird guy? Man, that's the wrong way to start the morning off, man.
Alright, y'all, so I got out them clothes and I went on and ate the little Sonic what I could, you know what I'm saying? I had the little I ain't what they call it, the little breakfast milk or whatever. I didn't eat them sorry French toast sticks. Sonic, don't do me like that no more. I love you. Don't do me like that no more. But man, I'm finna this video is gonna be a little different. I'm just gonna take y'all through, you know what I'm saying, just a day in the life with me. You feel me? So, dang, bro, look at your hair. But yeah, man, we finna go out here to the paint room and go and get it popping. I already started on the project. I'm not gonna show y'all the whole thing. I'm just gonna show y'all the clips of me painting and everything, just to give a different feel, to show you what I do throughout my days and everything. The reason your boy was a little dapper or whatever, I just left a meeting about my new apartment and all that kind of stuff that just gonna be lit, man. So I'm excited about that, and let's just go get to the paint or whatever. Alright, man, so we in the paint room now, bro. I'm finna show y'all what I worked on yesterday. Completed a pair of Air Max 90 cartoon thing, hard. I'm getting prepared for Black Friday and a website drop, a couple website drops. I'm trying to do more on my website, do more for my brand, expand and everything. So this pair is a size 9, and it will be for sale on my website along with these, which is a size 7 youth. Both shoes the same or whatever. But I'm trying to do more on my website, man, and just to expand my business instead of, you know, selling on different platforms and, you know what I'm saying, all that kind of stuff right there. I really, like I was telling y'all, I want to get away from having to do custom orders just to stay, you know, afloat and be able to pay my bills and all that kind of stuff, man. So I want to just be able to do that so I have more creative time and freedom on my channel so we can make this thing as big as possible, reach as many people as possible, help as many people as possible. So with that being said, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm working on right now, which is one of my favorite things. This is why I love the fall. I mean, I can do this kind of thing in summer or whatever, but this is gonna be a Warhawk thing. Yes, I will be doing a video on it soon. Not this specific pair, but I will be doing some Warhawk customs and everything soon. So y'all don't worry about that, man. But I'm finna get to these real quick, and I'll give y'all updates soon. Shit like that, don't worry about it, nigga. You not my gang.
It seem like I can't break these bad habits. Sorry, mama, I'm a savage, and I still look up to my dad. Make a move, gon' make it happen. Dodge a new stick, I act. Whatever the move is, stick it act. I got moves, yeah, I'm in practice. W, that just what happened. Oh, gave you a piece of me, you rocked it like a Jesus piece. Posted up like easy on Endless 7 Valley Street. Then you ain't believing me. Got them little analogies, and I wrong my memories. Seen people backstabbing me. I take control of my energy, you know I'm the same. I got shit to tell about, never take a snail route. Blood and do his whole elbow before you heard the gang on serve. Hey, just him, I know you heard how we did, what's her name? Killers and junkies, move to the city, start talking. Back then, I ain't wanna rap. Back then, I was on some dumb. In the piece lately, been hard for playing for keys. I'm praying on my hands and knees, yeah, I pray for my enemies. Them niggas been hating on me, I was walking right down the street. In 20 degrees. Just to give some guys some weed. It seemed like they loved me better when they were passing me. Running on blood pedals, this something that you ain't see. I'm keeping it close together, no you don't rock me. Sit the list up.
Alright, man, so I know I'm looking a little rough. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I know y'all love me regardless. But I just want to holler at y'all real quick about like just separating yourself from other people and stuff like that. Like with these shoes right here, I could have easily went on and just went with a solid. Let me turn this off. A solid little olive green all around the shoe, and then did my design work, and it could have been cool. You know what I'm saying? That's nothing wrong with it. But just to set myself apart and to add more pop and just my stamp on the shoes, I'm adding like a little a gradient of, I forgot what this color is, please. I think it's like a sand or something like that. Just a little gradient over here to this side, and plus I'm gonna throw like a little camo feel to it. But that's just another thing to where you can add to your game and charge a little bit more because you did that. You know, yeah. But that's it, man. I just wanted to holler at y'all real quick. I'm finna get back to it. Okay, y'all, it's day 2 of me working on these Warhawk theme shoes. I got a lot done yesterday, but it's kind of, I'm at a point where, I ain't gonna say at a point. I really ain't know exactly what I wanted to do with these, so it's just been ideas flowing and everything. Then I had some stuff I needed to do yesterday, so that took me away from painting shoes, which I have something else to do today. It's gonna take me away from painting shoes, but that's life. So this how they looking right now, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Very, very crispy. Spiffy like, you know what I'm saying? I'll show y'all the inside. All that good stuff. They coming out pretty well. Got the little bullet hole and everything like that. Yeah, I'm really feeling them. Yeah, man, they're hard in my opinion. So I'm gonna try to wrap these up today, and I'm going to wrap these up today, and y'all gonna see the final result today. You know, alright, man, I just got an idea. I really hope this goes well. I hope it goes the way I think it is. Alright, so I just took the tape off the bottom. Right, boom. They looking real clean and all that kind of stuff. But like I was just telling you, you gotta do something to set yourself apart. So I'm taking a risk on this one, man. I'm gonna use this brown leather dye I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm gonna try to stain the bottom to give it just a more rugged and like just a war feel or whatever. Hopefully it don't turn out looking dirty. You know what I'm saying? But I really wanna capture the whole, you know what I'm saying, war and battle type of feel to the joints. I'm gonna throw some blood splatters and all that kind of stuff on there. But for right now, I'm about to see how this gonna turn out. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, man, so I just got the I did the dyeing of the soles or whatever, and it came out almost, oh my goodness, it came out almost exactly like I wanted it and I envisioned it in my head. Bam. It's real little rough and rugged. I did the blood splatters and everything on that guy. So they came out nice. Now I'm finna throw this finisher on and then get some final shots. My bad, y'all. I had went to the Subway and I forgot to bring y'all with me. You know, yeah. You know, I'm new to the live vlogging thing, so don't even worry about all that. But man, Shawty hooked me up. You know, at the Subway, I get the little double meat. I don't know what she did, but that more than usual, and I love her for it. Check 'em out. I already had, you know, took care of a lot of it. Like the first half, I was too hungry, y'all. Then they ain't had my chocolate chip cookie. But you know you.
Devil didn't make it back in peace. I got the mac and cheese, ain't say no one look out for me. I passed the ball to C, scored and passed it back to me. Funny you look at me, it's down cause I don't show no cheese. Learn to stay in your place, walking pocket, girl was on your plate. I cannot relate, get out the way, watch how I elevate. I don't need a skate or a rake, still penetrate. I can see the fake, rattlesnake do that make it seem like I can't break these bad habits.